What's good, everybody, and welcome to the channel. This is your boy Young King Millions, aka Young King Poetic. Today's video is completely different from my past videos. I want to do something new for you guys. It is a style that has been taking the men's fashion world by storm, also women's fashion as well, but mainly this is for men's fashion. Of course, women can take this same thing and do it themselves. But this is a style that you see on all of your men's fashion influencers. I'll show a couple of pictures there as well. This video is in conjunction with our friends at Men's Fashion. It's at men's_fashion_ on Instagram. So go check them out, follow them, like their pictures or whatnot. But yeah, so we're going to do the crop jeans with the frayed edges. It is taken the fashion world, like I said, by storm. You're seeing athletes with them, movie stars, and again, all of your men's fashion influencers. And so I wanted to do a quick tutorial. I took a pair of jeans that I've owned for just about a year. I purchased from Top Man when they had a sale, and I've never worn the jeans, and I wanted to make them useful for me. And so I figured I would do it myself and make a crop jean out of those jeans there. So come with me to my makeshift sewing area, and yeah, and I'll walk you through step by step so that you know exactly what you can do if you want to do this for yourself as well. Let's go. All right, all you're gonna need is a couple of things. Of course, a pair of jeans, a pair of scissors, an ironing board, or a sheet or a towel to place on a hard surface, and a pair of tweezers. So that's all you need. First step is, of course, you put the jeans on and you crease them to the desired length, which I did before filming this video. And as you see, sitting on the table here. And then, of course, you're going to get the pair of scissors. Now, there are multiple ways you can do this. Some people use a marker, other people just crease it there. What I did was I started to cut down the middle of the jean and did it on both sides, of course. As you're gonna see, you're not gonna be able to get all the way to there. So then I took the iron and pretty much placed a crease exactly where I wanted it to be, and then unfolded the jean and started cutting at that line. So straight down that line there, and so really simple, and kept it at a straight line. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect, since of course you're going to fray the edges. So then I pulled out my tweezers and then started to pick at the areas at the end to where I would get that distressed look. And so it's really that simple. The iron is to literally just crease and have the straight line. Some people use a marker. I didn't, again, use a marker there. So let's see how it looks.
We're slipping through the crowd. They can hear that sound, but you were on my freak